Chachi thinks it's his mom. Uh-oh, don't you bite now. Be nice. Oh my gosh, she's hungry.
Oh, is eating hard food now?
Mm-hmm. The mama.
What if she has babies?
Well, I know, that's what I'm saying. She's hungry. And Chachi's just watching her. Okay, can you like turn off the light over here? So maybe it might be a better picture. This is so cute. Look at the possum eating the kitty food. Not even budging.
No.
Just. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, his foot's... Oh, my gosh. Got the mange.
Well, we don't know. Look at
Look
Chachi's
Chachi.
trying to get the tail. You better get back, girl. Boy. He's gonna... Oh, thank goodness he's got his rabies shot. Okay, this is not good. Maybe. Oh, see?
No. Chachi.
Okay,
please,
all right.
no. Chachi.
Ooh, bye-bye.
Chachi, what was that?